Hi, I'm Kristen Corey and I'm a personal chef. Today we're going to make honey garlic butter. It's basically an example of a compound butter where you add flavoring to butter. So I have 1 stick of butter that's at room temperature, some honey, a few cloves of garlic, and a little salt because I use unsalted butter. So I'm going to mince the garlic. Add that to the butter. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of honey. Then just gonna mix it all together. And it's ready to use now. Or you can put it in a small container and refrigerate it for later use. It's great on vegetables. It's great on fish. There's lots of ways that you can add a nice, sweet, garlicky flavor using this butter. And that's how you make honey garlic butter.